Windows everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain you how you can open the file or music with using a Python. So this is not magic. I'm going to explain you the step by step. The first, how you can create the folder and find the path of this folder. I think a lot of people can create a folder. Exist the people who bought a computer right now and needs the explanation. Today, I want to explain you the how create the folder. Second, how to find the path of this folder. Third, how to write a program in Python which will open the file for you. Alright guys, so before starting action, I want you to subscribe and put like to my video, and let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do is always to create a new folder in your desktop and rename it whatever you want. I want to name it main. Press enter, go inside of this folder and create the text document inside of this folder. So you can just start to write your program inside a txt file, then you can, everything when it's ready, you can just change the format of the file, you can start to use it. And now you just have to rename the text document. I want to name it main.py. Great. So now we have to open this main.py with PyCharm and wait a little while until your program is gonna open. And until the program is opening, I want to talk about my second Minecraft channel where I'm making a great videos day by day, or sometimes it can be after 2 days. For example, I made a video today, I'm gonna make a new video in Minecraft channel after 2 days. Link will be in description. You can go and check out my Minecraft channel and press like and subscribe there to support me in my Minecraft channel. And I also subscribe to this channel and press like to support my channel here too. So we're gonna trust project and wait until it's gonna be ready. So after opening this category, you have to select in this little window opening project. Then you have to wait, and you will see this little window and you have to press OK, because you can believe in that, because PyCharm is automatically will select your file which you have to press OK and select it. So now we have to wait until the workspace will be prepared. And then the Python will automatically ask you to select the Python interpreter, and then we have to wait a little while until this interpreter will check out all binary models. And as you can see now, after selecting our interpreter, we have to wait a little while. And until it's opening, I want to tell you that if you have some problem in your computers, have some trouble with your computer, have some problem which is unsolvable for you, you can write about this problem in comments. So will try to do everything to solve this problem. Everything have a solution and you have to find a true way to solve it. Now it's just processing. I want to tell you that you have to write here import OS. What does that mean? That means that you allow the Python to get access to your operation system. Now when you wrote it, you have to write here, for example, f equals to the path of the file which you want to open with the help of Python. Now to do that, you have to create a new file which you want to open with the help of PyCharm. So I'm creating the folder and naming it shorter, because short name, short work. And now we're creating the new text document here. You can put here the music, everything which you want. In my condition, I think that's gonna be better if I will just put there the text document. And let's just enter to this text document and write something which you wanna see in a script when you will start the Python program. So now I'm gonna write here hello world. Now I'm going to save it and quit from this file. We have to go to this file, press one time to this file, copy the path of file. Then you have to go to your PyCharm and press this path to this F box. But remember that this one line is not enough for you. You have to put the double lines here to give access to the program to open your folder. And now my program understand that it have to go to the main py or one file and open the one file which is inside of this one folder. We have to go a little bit down and write here os.start file, and we're gonna write f. We can delete this F box from here and write here the path of the file, but it's gonna take a lot of time. Our program will look like uncomfortable. So what is the programmer's ability of the good programmer is that the programmer always try to make a good program which will look like comfortably and which will work comfortably and which will be understandable for you. So now we have to check up our program. We have to run the script. As you can see, when you're running the script, program automatically open our thing for us. Let's just start opening this file. After launching the program, I want to see the text document. I don't want to see this folder which is opening. I want to go to the one file. How to do that? Press the one left click on this text document or the file which you want to make an action. Then you have to press the right click of the mouse and properties. So here you can find a full path of the file. See users, users, desktop 1. And now we have to go here and press a double line again and write here 1.txt. I think if we will open the script, as you can see, we're going to see here. We're not going to see the file which is opening for us, and you have to go and select something. So maybe you don't have a one file there. Maybe you have a lot of files inside the folder. And how are you going to make it then? You're going to just select it, or it's going to be bad and uncomfortable. So now let's just check it again. Hello world, as you can see. That was my little but great program about OS system. As you can see, this little system which will help you to do a lot of things. So you can make it same thing with the music. I'm not gonna do that because if I will do that, YouTube will write the copyright claim. I don't want to get this message. Every time when I'm getting this message, YouTube have to delete this part of the video. When you just selected the path of the file, you have to go here, name it, and give the name 2. Because you have to write here 2 and then press the start button and you will see the print hello world again. You can do a lot of things with import OS. You will ask the question from me. So why you didn't talk install the OS? For example, pp install OS. Because OS operation system, everything, even if you will write it in a simple Python, Python will automatically understand the OS and you don't have to install any libraries about OS. So guys, now I have a great idea. Before finishing video, I want to just make this program more qualitative. I'm going to create the A equals to the input, and here the choose number or choose folder, and if A will be equal to the open, then we're going to open this file. Great. So let's just check out what happened. We just have to write here else print none. Now we have to write here open, and as you can see, so you can make your own browser here or own system using, you can open a lot of stuff here. For example, you can do, I'm going to give you a great idea. If you are a Pythoner and you wrote these code right now, you have to write here if A will be equal to the, for example, 2 or 3 or something with word. But if you want to work with the numbers, I want to just say you that use int input. You can create the search base in your computer. Using, you can open the everything, even you can open the Google. So how to do that? You have to go to the Google settings. So find the path of the Google file and go to the properties and find the Google. Copy this and paste this Google application here and press start script. Then you will be available to open everything. For example, you just write in my condition. Remember that you have to write here else too. Else, because if you will write something else there, as you can see, none. Great. But if you will write here the open, always remember that the word which is here have to match with the word which you will write to this choose folder box. And press enter, as you can see. So you can do a lot of things about this. You can learn, we have a lot of ideas. We just started, you know guys. I'm gonna do a lot of project. Maybe I will build one robot and will show it to you. I want to make some professional robot. One day it will happen. I believe in you guys. Stay with Windows. I love you and see you next time.